festival of lights. Wish you all a happy Deepavali. What am I going to do for you today? I have already done so many non-veg preparations, so you can select one of those and do. But now I am going to show you short cakes with fruit and nut. So, we will see how it is going to be done and the quantities of all these preparation. To make these short cakes with fruit and nut short cakes, I need 60 grams sugar, 60 grams butter. We need an egg. Beat it nicely. 60 grams sugar, 60 grams butter, 1 egg, beat it well. Now what I am going to do is I am going to use the flour. Flour, it has to be 120 grams. 2 teaspoons of corn flour I need. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. And I need a pinch of bicarbonate of soda and sift it into the mixture. Into the mixture we will sift it now. And now I am going to mix it. Mix that well. Before I start beating, I have to mix it nicely. And I need condensed milk. Condensed milk also I need about 2 dessert spoons of condensed milk. Mix it nicely. After adding the flour, sugar, baking powder, corn flour, everything, beat it nicely. Right, now that is done. Now I am going to do something which will be a bit interesting. I took the oats. I have taken oats which I have colored also, so that it will be really nice for the shortcakes. So, oats I am putting about 2 dessert spoons of it. A little vanilla essence. Cherries, about 30 grams cherries, and we use 30 grams of cashew nuts. Sultanas, 30 grams, that also you can use 30 grams of it. Currants, if you like, you can use a little currants also. Now mixed it nicely, and what I am going to do is, I will take a tray, butter this nicely. Once we butter it, I need a spoon to put it into that. Now you can really feel how it looks, because something different to the normal shortcakes we do. Right. Now we are going to bake this. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. I am going to bake for about 20 minutes. We can take, even if you like, you can take a square tray like this also. This is also very nice. You can butter it nicely and put the mixture into that. Don't put full. It has to be half so that it comes up a little, and then this tray, or you can have even a bun tray also you can use. Once it is baked, you could see how it's going to be for the festival. It's something different for all of us to have it. "20 minutes it's baked and it's done." So what we can do is, you can have it on the same day, festival time, same day, or tomorrow you can have it. So This is really wonderful, I would say. Something different to the normal preparation. It's neither like a cake nor like a biscuit, so that you could serve this as a finger food also. I'm going to arrange this in another plate so that it looks attractive with cherries, red and green cherries. We can have this, very nice. This is the preparation that I have given for this Deepavali festival. So enjoy the festival, and everyone will enjoy preparing a food. Different type, different things could be done. So all that you can enjoy preparing for the festival. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon with another episode. Wait and watch.